Asus made a significant splash at CES 2024 with the introduction of its cutting-edge laptop lineup, prominently featuring the new Zenbook S 13 OLED. This ultra-portable device immediately claimed attention as the world's slimmest 13.3-inch OLED laptop, with an average thickness of a mere 10.9mm, surpassing even the sleek MacBook Air M2 by a hair's breadth at 11.3mm. Additionally, its remarkable lightweight build, tipping the scales at just 1 kilogram, further solidifies its status as a truly portable computing powerhouse. The Zenbook S 13 OLED's display stands out with a 16:10 aspect ratio and a sharp 2880 by 1800 resolution, approximately 3K. The 600 nits peak brightness and an impressive 85% screen-to-body ratio ensure a visually stunning experience. The use of an OLED panel enhances the display further, promising deep blacks and vibrant true-to-life colors. Under the hood, the Zenbook S 13 OLED is powered by Intel's latest offerings, the Core Ultra 5 125U and Core Ultra 7 155U processors from the Meteor Lake lineup. These chips, unveiled by Intel in December, are developed for improved power efficiency and optimized for on-device AI tasks. Noteworthy is the addition of the Copilot key on the keyboard, reflecting the ongoing trend of integrating AI features into laptops in 2024. Asus has also introduced subtle appearance changes to enhance the overall aesthetics of the Zenbook S 13 OLED. The lid is crafted from a unique plasma ceramic aluminum material exclusive to Asus. This material, developed to mimic natural stone, not only contributes to the laptop's slim profile, but also ensures each lid has a distinctive one-of-a-kind appearance. The Zenbook S 13 OLED doesn't just focus on style, it packs a range of features to meet the needs of modern users. A Full HD webcam, a spacious Asus ErgoSense touchpad, up to 1TB of Gen 4 SSD storage, and a maximum of 32GB RAM contribute to its high-performance capabilities. The laptop's 63 Wh battery, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2 further enhance its connectivity and mobility. In terms of ports, the Zenbook S 13 OLED offers versatility with two Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A connector, HDMI 2.1, and a combo audio jack. This extensive range of ports ensures compatibility with a variety of peripherals and devices, making the laptop a versatile tool for both productivity and entertainment. Overall, Asus has once again raised the bar with the Zenbook S 13 OLED, showcasing innovation in appearance, display technology, and processing power at CES 2024. In the dynamic world of technology, the anticipation for a new product often intensifies as the details surrounding its availability and pricing remain shrouded in mystery. As Asus works behind the scenes to finalize these crucial aspects, consumers and tech enthusiasts alike can stay tuned for official announcements from the company. Rest assured, the moment Asus makes the launch date and pricing for the Zenbook S 13 OLED official, enthusiasts can expect to be promptly informed. In the meantime, the excitement for this slim and powerful laptop remains, and interested parties will eagerly await further updates to plan their acquisition of this innovative device. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.